Let's talk about that.
Now, you know that Medicare is a completely government-run health care system,
right,
and yet you're saying you would have voted for it.
And we today need to focus on eliminating the fraud, waste, and abuse in Medicare,
Okay,
Lawrence,
let's
and
do
that's.
that. You must want to repeal it, don't you?
The way the federal government has taken
right,
over.
You're not going to answer that.
No, sir, I'm answering your. If you want an answer, Lawrence, if you want an answer.
repeal Medicare, it's a single-payer socialized system.
No one,
Do you want to repeal
no one in Congress has suggested repealing either Social Security or Medicare.
Is
Lawrence,
Medicare socialism?
You know, I'm not sure you want me to answer the question, Lawrence.
Is Medicare socialism?
Of course, no one is suggesting that anyone. No one wants to either repeal.
Can you say yes or no?
Of course not. Medicare is a program that's been in place for many years.
Because it's old, it's not socialism? Because it was done in the 60s?
You know,
Tell
Lawrence,
me what is not
I think,
socialism
Lawrence, you
about Medicare.
illustrate. This is why Katie and everybody else is going to Facebook. Everyone's going to the internet because why listen to MSNBC?
I don't want you to spend your time away here. I want you to get serious. Okay?
I am serious.
Medicare is not socialism. Why don't we just delete the over 65 part of Medicare and make it available to everyone? What's your argument
Lawrence,
against that?
No one has ever suggested repealing Medicare or Social Security.
Why not? They're both socialistic programs.
And
if you were there in 1935, you would have voted for Social Security, right?
Of course, in 1935, Lawrence, it was designed as a
Republicans hated it. Didn't anyone tell you that?
Lawrence, excuse me, wait a minute. Am I going to be able to give an answer here or not? May I answer the question?
They don't want to hear your endless spinning. Would you have voted for or against Medicare? Would you have voted for or against Medicare?
In 1935, Social Security was set up as a safety net, Lawrence, as a last resort. And therefore, of course, it was there for people who my father, who grew up in the Depression, told me, my dad told me, without those safety nets, John, people just died. And that's unacceptable.
Enacted by
and that was a safety net
over the opposition.
I know. You're heroes, Lawrence.